You have a train to catch.
I can't stand the brakes are gone! Any more bright ideas?
I got a few. Yeah.
Maybe that night that my tears might let me know all the stars are gold.